Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no post available on Facebook. So first up, what you need to check is your internet connection. So just ensure that you have a stable internet connection. It's also worth trying to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. So just head to your settings and then turn off your Wi-Fi and then try connecting to your mobile data. If that doesn't work, try refreshing the page on your Facebook. So just pull up your Facebook like this and then let it refresh. Next, you can also try reinstalling the Facebook app. So just long press on the Facebook icon on your home screen and then tap on Remove App and then reinstall it through the App Store. You can also check if there are any pending updates on Facebook. So just head to the App Store and look for Facebook. And in here, you can check if there are any pending updates. So make sure you're always running the latest version to avoid encountering bugs and issues. If none of these steps work, then it might be best to reach out to Facebook support directly for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.